How you feeling?
Good.
Nervous?
No.
You're feeling nervous.
I think a little bit.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Golden Roots. So today we're counting how many locks I have. Before we do that, are you subscribed to this channel? You're not subscribed? Make sure to subscribe. And don't forget the thumbs up. Now I'm going to show you my locks before we count them. I am now 1 year, 3 months locked.
Now, in another video, I'm going to explain something that I was trying out with her hair. As you can notice, there's been 2 that have been unraveled from braids to twists because of this same problem. So I will talk more about this, and this same problem means what you're seeing here. Okay? But this is for content for another video. So if you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, please say subscribe so that you guys know what's going on. But these are twists that I recently started unraveling just to see how it goes first, so that we are going to work better with maybe twists, but I will explain. So going back to this video, we're just gonna count how many locks she has. So we're starting from the bottom, okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you with me, Serenity?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the first line. We have
1, 2, 3.
Pause a minute. So as you can see, the problem that we've been facing, this is very clear on camera. As you can see, all the white parts, this is mostly to do with lint. We've literally been using water and oil, but there's so much buildup, guys. Like, I really don't know if it's not buildup, but it's lint. So that's one thing that we faced as a problem with braids, and this is why that other video is important, so do not miss it. So we're gonna continue from 3, 4,
5, 6, 7.
right? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So now we're gonna hold these. Face the side.
32 we have.
32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 60, 61,
62,
61, 62,
62,
63, 64, 65, 67, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. And she was playing and ended up cutting her lock, which is bad, right?
Yeah.
So she knows that now. But we have how many? 84.
So in total, I have 84 locks. Thank you very much for watching our channel. See you next